Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Guys, today we're gonna do Jamaican rice and peas. And I want to dedicate this video to Destiny because Destiny has asked me to show her how I do my rice and peas. Destiny, this one is for you. So guys, I have with me maybe about 3 cups of rice. I'm using the jasmine rice. You can use any rice that you're comfortable with, any brand. And if you like brown rice, that's also okay. I'm using a coconut. Guys, this is totally optional. You can go the easy, quick way and just get a can of coconut milk. There are a wide variety of coconut milk on the market. And you know what? Your rice and peas will taste, it will taste good with them. So, but it's just that I like to use my coconut. I like to make it from scratch. So I have my coconut. I also have some red peas, some red kidney peas that I have soaked. I pre-soaked them last night, put it in the refrigerator. So it's there. It makes it a little easier to cook. I have some scallion. I have a green pepper for flavoring. I prefer the green pepper to the red pepper. I think it has a little more flavor. And I have some garlic. I have a few grains of pimento. I have some thyme. And I have some seasoning, powdered seasoning, which is really about a teaspoon of all-purpose. I have some salt and I have some black pepper. So those are the ingredients, guys. Yeah? So right now we have everything together. I'm going to go ahead and extract the juice from the coconut and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. That's my coconut milk. I have juiced and extracted it. And this is the peas that I have now put on the stove to cook. I put the garlic in there as well, guys. Not only will it add flavor, but it will also tenderize the peas, so it won't take as long to cook. All right, and I'm gonna turn the flame up so that it will cook quicker. So that's the peas with the garlic, and I didn't put a whole lot of water. I prefer to add water as I go along than to put too much at the outset. So as it cooks, I will add more water if necessary to make it softer. All right, guys, and that's the milk, which I extracted, but I'm not ready to use it as yet. So, guys, there we are. Let's get the peas cooking. Okay, guys, I'm back with you. The peas is cooked. It is very tender. Let me show you. See that? It's very soft. Very soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add the coconut milk. And I'm going to add my thyme. I'm adding my green pepper. I'm adding my pimento, not too many, of course, just over half a dozen. And my scallion. Guys, some people cut their scallion or escallion, however you want to call it. But I just beat mine. It's just a tradition that is felt to extract the flavor better when you beat it. Poor scallion, right? Poor scallion. So now I have beaten the scallion. I have all my seasoning in. I'm going to just turn the pot up a little bit. And of course, the final addition is the powdered seasoning. So now I'm going to just stir it, let it get a final cook for maybe 5 minutes or so. Not too much because the piece is already soft. Don't want to overdo it. Put the flame back up, and then as soon as it's ready, in another 5 minutes, we're gonna add the rice, guys. So let's just give it 5 minutes and then we'll be right back. I'm going to wash the rice in the meantime. Okay, guys, so I had the peas on a low flame for about 5 minutes. It's boiling now, so it's time for us to add the rice. All the ingredients are in, as you could see. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rice. Guys, it's all in. I'm going to just stir it, make sure that the peas is somewhat evenly distributed in the rice. And I tell you one thing though, this aroma is to die for. Guys, so this is it. We have everything in. I'm just gonna make sure that we have a low flame and that the rice will cook slowly. Guys, I'm just checking in with the pot. Everything is going nicely, as you can see. Rice is being cooked, smelling good. I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter here, guys. Just a little bit of butter. And then I'm gonna close the pot and let it do its thing, guys. All right. Be right back. Guys, I'm just checking in with the pot. Everything is going nicely. The rice is cooking. The peas is all good. We're just waiting for everything to just gel together. Still a little water left in it, so we're just waiting for that to dry out. And by the time it's dried out, the rice should be cooked. And let's give it a couple minutes and see. Okay, guys, we're gonna check back in with the pot to see what's happening. And it should be finished. Yep. So this is it. Our rice and peas. Now I have to taste it, guys. Mm-hmm. Yep, yep, yep. Guys, this is awesome. Guys, you need to try this. You absolutely need to try it. Go ahead, guys. Try this Jamaican rice and peas. Let me know what your thoughts are. Okay? And if there's anything you would like me to try or to show you by way of recipes, go ahead. Send me your request in the comment section and I will absolutely do my best to cook that for you. All right? Destiny, this one's for you. Until next time, guys. Bye.